welcome back. So today we'll be treating a wooden den that we found on Marketplace for my son. So we're going to sand it down, apply some boiled linseed oil and treat that ready for the winter that's coming. So you can see it's in pretty bad shape at the moment. Let me just show you this. Needs sanding quite badly. Don't think it's ever been treated. So we'll get that done now. Now I don't have a true sander, so I've got one of these multi-tool sanders. Hopefully this can do the job. Take that down a bit. Might help to turn it off. No, put your shoes on, you can have a go. Put these on. So taking all the rubbish off, so I can now linseed oil it.
Daddy's going to treat it so you've got it for next summer.
Why?
So it doesn't rot.
So it doesn't get mouldy and rotting.
Look, that's my exhaust pipe's fallen off. So now, let's get some boiled linseed oil on. I think this is going to be quite thirsty. I'm going to be quite generous because it's just going to run everywhere. Just absorbing that as soon as it's touching. Do that. That brush is sodden. Get that on there nice and thick. I mean, when you've got something as old as this probably is, it's just going to drink. Don't worry about getting anywhere on the stones, it will eventually get washed away. But let's get this on, looking healthy already. I know some people will probably put teak oil on there. Teak oil will be fine, but I just think for longevity, boiled linseed oil is your friend. Don't forget all the tops and the bottoms will need doing, so get all those tops, soaking that in. Find any puddling spots, try and brush it out, because this can dry hard. You can see where they've left the stickers on this. And we'll get the bottoms of each plank. No, I've not done the best sanding job in the world, but I've only got that one sanding tool at the moment. I thought I'd been over this, but it's either really thirsty. I'll do the bottom bits, the bottom. Get in there. Like I say, we'll treat this today and then get another coat on it in a couple of days' time. Make sure you get into this end grain, that's really where it absorbs it. Now, I'm not telling everybody what they should do on all their children's playthings, but I think if you're spending money on them, and most things these days cost an absolute fortune, you might as well look after it. You know, that 1 litre boiled linseed oil set you back £8, £9, £10. How much will one of these frames cost you brand new? What are we on? Probably just over half a litre. If you are American, I couldn't tell you what that is in pints or ounces. If you ever think you've got too much on your brush, just rub it on the next panel down, take the excess off, and then come back up. It's already looking a lot more healthier. One thing I absolutely love about boiled linseed oil, it's like golden brown, it gives you that typical like tan finish on your timber. Then what we'll do, where you want that? I think the best reason also to use boiled linseed oil, especially as we're going into the winter period, it's got a lot longer for it to dry and to absorb and to soak in. So I haven't got to worry about it drying in time for the children to play with. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Hopefully bring you weekly videos of rural living in the UK. I think we're going to run out of oil here. What have we got there? Not much. There we have it. All finished. Its first coat. Much better.